Hey, cheer up with Jason Horton. Do you love the internet? Do you love slutty costumes? Well, here are our top 6 picks for this Halloween season. You love emojis, don't you?
Love them.
Everyone uses them. Your favorite is the poop emoji,
That's
right?
how I express how I feel.
Well, here we go. Number 6, dancing girls.
They have to bring a friend, right, to make this work.
Yeah, I guess you could do it alone as a lone dancing girl.
Yeah.
But to really make the emoji work, you need to be 2 girls.
Yeah.
So you have a little lace, you could do the cleavage, and this is this sexy to you for Halloween?
I feel like I'm so desensitized that it's not enough for me. Like, I don't care how many bow ties it is. Like, I need more.
Of course, someone had to do it. Pizza Rat in sexy costume form. Major cleavage with this one.
Very short skirt.
It's short. And then the pizzas.
Are going, like, you know where to look.
What do you think about the rat tail? Does that turn you on?
Yeah, but you know what it looks like? If you kind of look at it straight, it looks like it's just like a thin poop going down in between her legs. How quickly do they make this costume? What's popular? And they just start sewing.
And you could, of course, get this at yanny.com for $89.95.
Plus tax and tip. Because I get it delivered.
Oh, the blue and black or white and gold dress conundrum.
No matter what side of the fence you're on, you're gonna win with this one. Like, this dress kind of proves that, like, it's not the same on both sides, but it promotes equality and balance.
Caitlyn Jenner on the cover of Vanity Fair. This shows how big of an icon Caitlyn Jenner is. A lot of people might not say it's slutty. It's classy.
But sexy.
Sexy.
Yeah, I think you need to, like, if you're gonna do it, like, just wearing that slip is not, and it comes with, you know, the hair and, like, the makeup, and you have to, you know what I mean?
And it's
like,
also
really,
that whole stand. You need to, like, walk around like this.
Oh, yeah.
Of course, pizza seems to be a big theme.
Always.
On the internet.
I'm on Tumblr a lot, and it's all about pizza.
This is almost like an emoji theme / just internet meme. It was seen on Ellen, the Today Show. It's been everywhere in the media.
Well, because, you know, I mean, you have those built-in jokes. Do you want a very small sausage? A very tiny sausage? Would you like a tiny sausage? Somebody answer me. Oh, you won't? Okay. They don't want it.
Our final slutty internet meme costume for Halloween this year comes from Pretty Little Liars star Ashley Benson, who Instagrammed this wearing a Cecil the Lion outfit. It's gold, it's tight, it has that sexy animal hood.
Oh, yeah, she's making that face. Like,
Is this in bad taste?
I don't think it's in bad taste. I mean, you know, if it was like covered in blood or something like that, maybe I think it was in bad taste or like. I don't think it's sexy. It's not slutty though.
But hey, everything that is sexy, I guess, is slutty.
It's
It's
a point of
all
view.
one-on-one. On Halloween, whenever you're just showing any skin or cleavage, I just say it's slutty.
Yeah, no rules.
This is all about being an empowering slut. If
Yeah.
you're gonna slut it up, own it.
Take the slut back.
Well, thanks, Jason, for your insightful commentary on this. And we want to wish you all happy Halloween.
Yeah. Now let us know which one of these are your favorite slutty outfit and what's something that may not be out there but you think needs to be slutified.
Let us know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and of course, check out Jason on the What's Trending podcast this week. We're on iTunes and SoundCloud.com/What's Trending. Thanks. See you soon. Bye.